Hook, ever wondered if you can trade crypto on the go without a computer? Well, today, we're diving into that very question. Does Newton Crypto have an app? Context: Newton Crypto has been making waves in the crypto world, offering a user-friendly platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. But what about those who prefer the convenience of trading on their smartphones? Let's find out. Part 1: The growing demand for crypto apps. Mobile-first world. In today's fast-paced world, our smartphones have become our digital companions. We use them for everything from shopping to socializing, and it's no surprise that the demand for mobile-friendly services, including cryptocurrency trading, is on the rise. Benefits of crypto apps. Convenience: trade anytime, anywhere. Accessibility: no need for a computer. Security: discuss how reputable crypto apps prioritize security features. User experience: highlight the importance of intuitive interfaces. Part 2: Newton Crypto's app, a deep dive. App availability: is there a Newton Crypto app for iOS and Android? Key features. Buying and selling: walk through the process of buying and selling cryptocurrencies on the app. Portfolio tracking: explain how users can monitor their crypto holdings. Market analysis: discuss the availability of real-time market data and charts. Security measures: highlight the security features implemented in the app. User interface and experience: provide a visual walkthrough of the app's interface, focusing on its ease of use and user-friendliness. Part 3: User reviews and feedback. Testimonials: share positive reviews and testimonials from Newton Crypto app users. Common issues: address any common complaints or concerns raised by users. Overall satisfaction: assess the overall satisfaction level of users with the app. Part 4: Comparison with other crypto apps. Competitor analysis: compare Newton Crypto's app to other popular crypto apps in terms of features, user experience, and fees. Unique selling points: highlight what sets Newton Crypto's app apart from the competition. Part 5: Conclusion. Summary: recap the key points discussed in the video. Final thoughts: offer your final thoughts on whether Newton Crypto's app meets the needs of crypto traders. Call to action: encourage viewers to download the app and try it for themselves. Outro. Closing statement: with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.